How do I add new users? You can add as many users as you want. There are no limitations. Click on the Add button and fill in the first name, last name, email address and create a password. Click on Save to confirm your settings and click on F5 to refresh your screen. The user has been added now to your system. Now you have to assign the user rights for this new user in your system. In Flowersonline we have named them activity groups. Select the activity group you want to add this new user to and double-click on the name, or use the arrow to the right to put the name of the user to this particular activity group. If you would like to add a new user, you go to Maintenance and User Rights. If you click on the Add User button, you can fill in all details for this new user. In this case we're gonna add Peter Hof, peter@flowersonline.net, and his password we do a test, and we click on Save. Now you have to click on F5 to refresh your screen and you will see that Peter Hof has been added to the users. As from this moment, Peter Hof does not have any user rights in the system. To assign him to any user rights, which we call activity groups, you have to first select the activity group that you would like to add Peter to. Flowersonline has already predefined 8 activity groups. One is the Buyer Manager menu, which got all the options including administration rights. This is normally only given to the owner or a manager of the company. Furthermore, we have created 7 other menus. Number 2, the basic limited menu, which is a starting point from any option. In the basic menu, you have the same rights as the manager, except for administration rights and except for number 3 to 8, which is no claims, no company info, no currency exchange, no invite vendors, no search product and no setup transportation. In this case I'm gonna give Peter access to the basic menu. So I click on number 2 and I can double click on the name or click on the name and drop him with the arrow to the right. Now Peter has access to the basic menu in the system. If you would like to give this user as well option to search product, you go to search product. Now I double click on the name and you see that Peter has been added. You can add as many users as you want and there are no limitations to the user rights.